In today's video, I'm going to teach you the quick steps to file your claim. Whether you've experienced issues with shipping delays or mishaps with your orders, filing a claim can be an excellent way to seek resolution. Let's walk through this process together so you can be on your way to getting your issues sorted out. The first step towards filing your claim is to visit the official claim portal. To do this, you'll need to head over to the Shein settlement website, which is sheinsettlement.com. Make sure you visit the correct website to avoid any potential scams or inaccuracies. Once you're on the site, you should see options that will guide you through the process. It's always a good idea to have everything you might need on hand, as this will save time and make the process smoother. Now, let's move on to completing the claim form. This will be a critical part of your claim process, so take your time and fill out everything carefully. You'll need to enter your personal details such as your full name and contact information to ensure they can reach you. Additionally, you must include your order number and the dates that correlate to your purchase. This information is crucial as it ties directly to your claim. You'll also be asked for details about the shipping delay and any communications you've had with Shein regarding this matter. Make sure you provide any correspondence that supports your claim, as this can enhance the validity of your submission. Once you've filled out all the fields with care, it's time to submit the form. Double check all the entered information before you hit submit. Accuracy is vital here to avoid any unnecessary delays or issues. With everything verified, go ahead and submit the form electronically. Remember, accuracy is key in this step to ensure that there are no hiccups in processing your claim. After submission, you should receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox and remember to check your spam or junk folders just in case it lands there. This confirmation is important as it serves as a record of your submission, and you'll also want to stay on the lookout for any follow-up updates regarding your claim status. Finally, let's cover the important dates you need to be aware of. The deadline to submit your claim is crucial, so ensure it's marked clearly on your calendar to avoid missing it. Once the settlement is finalized, approved claims will receive compensation either through a check or an electronic transfer. However, it's important to note that this process could take some time, so patience is key. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to filing your claim. Following these steps carefully will help ensure you're doing everything possible to resolve your concerns. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and best of luck with your claim process.